Hi everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and happy Sunday or whatever day it is when you're watching this. Today I'm coming at you guys with the quick brunch recipe, and this is my favorite banana French toast. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. So I'm just going to take a loaf of day-old French bread and slice it up. You don't have to use French bread, you can use whatever bread you like. I like to use brioche bread, and I also like to use croissant loaf bread. So good. But yeah, you can use whatever bread you want, white bread, wheat bread, whatever you like to make your French toast. So I'm just going to take 2 eggs and crack it into a shallow bowl, which is perfect for dipping. And then I'm going to pour in a 1/4 cup of whole milk. You can do whole milk, almond milk, whatever milk you use. Then I'm going to do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Probably like a pinch of nutmeg, not really a full teaspoon. Okay, and probably a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to do a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. And I'm going to mix everything up with this whisk. I'm going to give it a good mix, make sure everything is all combined. Feel free to omit any ingredients that you can't use or substitute them for other ingredients. I've been making French toast for a long time, and I've done it without, adding sugar, or I've done it without adding nutmeg. So use what you got to get what you want, honey. So now I'm just going to butter my pan with squeezed butter and get that all good and melted. And then I'm going to dip my French bread inside of the French toast mixture. Say that 3 times. But I'm going to dip my bread and batter it on both sides. Make sure you drain off the excess mixture so that you don't have like a little fried egg in the pan. And then I'm just going to place it in the pan and just continue to repeat that step. And you want to watch it and make sure that it cooks well on both sides. You just want it to cook to like a golden brown, and then you're going to flip it. And while I was cooking all this, I was baking my bacon in the oven. Let me know if you put your bacon in the oven or if you're cooking on top of the stove. So I'm going to take a ripe banana and slice it up. I love bananas on my French toast and my pancakes, but feel free to use whatever fruit you like. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, whatever fruit you like. Or even if you don't like fruit, omit any fruit. So I'm just going to remove the pan from the heat and check and make sure both sides are nice and brown. And then I'm just going to place them on a plate, all cute and stuff. Try to plate it up for you guys. And then I'm just going to drizzle my bananas on there, add a little powdered sugar, a little cinnamon, and I do actually add syrup, but I'll do that later. And I'm eating mine with bacon. You can do sausage, turkey bacon, whatever meat floats your boat, or no meat. You don't have to eat meat. But yeah, this is one of my favorite breakfast brunch dishes because I really don't eat breakfast. I eat brunch. So yeah, this is one of my favorite dishes. Love to make this. My family loves it. And I hope you guys enjoy it too. Let me know if you like French toast. Let me know if you try this recipe. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you'd like to see from me next. Talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.